Hey everyone, welcome back. So this video is just going to be, in a nutshell, just putting another eToro trader on my copy list. I'm going to be adding a gentleman called, let's have a quick look. I know his name's Renoi. Okay, so it's going to be Renoi974. Let's have a quick look at his stats. And just before I go into his stats, I just want to say it's been a very strange month, September, in regards to eToro. Let's have a look. So, as it's been exactly a month now, I can see all the stats here. Usually I have to sort of go in one by one and click on them, because you can only do it by a month. You can't do it by like 28 days, which is what I was checking 2 days ago. But yeah, these are my my people on my watch list. Oh, hold on. There we go. So September was really bad for eToro, for my watches at least. Obviously, Olivier Danvale still did very well. He didn't go in the red, staying true to his nature for 3.5 years. He made some profit. But everyone else, I mean, Jay, who I'm currently copying, he was down by 6, maybe 8%, but I think 6 is a number that's standing out to me. He's managed to scrape it through to just a minus 0.57, which is brilliant. But everyone was so down in September, which is unbelievable. So I'm not sure entirely what did that. Some traders were saying, I think it was Jay Nemesis, I read his post saying that generally September is a really bad month for eToro, or just trading in general. September is just always bad. So I don't know if this is what I should come to expect every year for September, or if it's something special that went on due to the pandemic. But yeah, September, not great. So have a quick look at my stats. Yes, everything was going reasonably well. I think this is where I started with J Nemesis. This was mostly Olivier Danvale, and then J Nemesis got a 2 and almost a 4%. And now my first red, very unfortunate, September, minus 1.2. It's just okay though, because it was like minus, like around the 3 to 6 range, minus 3 to 6%. So I'm glad it's gone up a little bit, which is, I think, mostly thanks to J Nemesis, so that's great. Yeah, so let's get into it. Let's deposit the funds. Okay, so we've got the $200 in now. Just deposited that. Now we're going to go to... I'll give you a quick breakdown of what my thought process was. So it was between Renoi and Prototype. So let's have a look at Prototype first. So September, the Prototype did well, only a minus 0.91. The rest of the year is a 69%. And Renoi, a minus 0.72%, and the rest of the year is 89%. So going purely off profit, Renoi stands out. He wins the point, so to speak. The copiers of both. So 345 copiers for Renoi, a plus 1.77% increase of copiers. And you look at prototypes, he's lost 0.59% of copiers. And look at the shape of the graph. It's not I mean, it is increasing, but the shape. I mean, what was the other thing? The main thing though was the portfolio which they're currently trading. So if we sort it by profit loss, I mean, from the looks of PrototypeVR, I mean, just looking at these ones, and you got these massive percentages that's over 10%, and then you got these 4 that's over 30%. Obviously, it seems like he holds them for a long time. And if I was to get in on that action with a copy open trades, I mean, he could just close them for example, he would be making a huge profit, just close them and move on. But as I would have just copied with open trades, I would, be break even or making a loss maybe. So it's a bit risky how I see it. You can carry on going down. You've still got all these profits, and about this region, I think would be okay to copy because it's still quite, a low number and quite fresh. But obviously, how I see it is the more deep in red, the better it is to copy open trades, because that's gonna need bounce back to 0 for them, and by the time it's done that'll be plus whatever it is. So for example, with this 4.01, I would have made 4.01 before he breaks even, so I'd have at least made that much. Yes, I mean he's got a lot of reds, so that was good. That was what for. Oh, okay, maybe Prototype would be the one to copy this time around in October. But then I saw Renoi's portfolio. So again, sorted it by profit loss percentage. Reasonably low. It's not in the 50% range like VR. So I mean, these are okay. These are okay. And then these nice low greens, which is great. Carry on going down, much lower. And then here, right? This is about a quarter of the way down the page. It's in red. So if we go, just keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. To me, I see all that as profit. I mean, the average person just come along might just look at his stats and be at 89%. Wow, that's amazing. Plus, you're going to potentially make all that profit with the deep reds that he's currently in. But for me, it took only the deep reds to sort of sway me out of the two people to copy, because having this 89%, that could be considered quite risky. He's got no historical data as well, so another risky element. Also, another good thing is where is it? So he's a risk score of 3. Renoi is a risk score of 3, and he's made 89% for the year. And Prototype is a risk score of 4. He's made 69% for the year. I mean, it's all kind of adding up nearabouts. So, yep, I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to copy $200, copy open trades, and just like that, start copying Renoi. And let's have a look at our next portfolio, isn't it? Yeah, brilliant. Just a shout out to Jay Nemesis as well. Like he's done absolutely fantastic as always. Unfortunately, my very first month with my eToro was his first red month, or one of the first ones. He was doing very well with the greens all year. It was looking promising. As I said, my eToro was going to be my Oligo Downvote alternative. But the first month it was like plummeted straight red. And Alex didn't do very well, but it was September. Everyone was not doing very well. But yeah, Jay Nemesis pulled himself out. I think he was in regards to this, he was at like $22 or something, and then he went up to all the way gradually to what he is now. He's just doing fantastic. Shout out to Jay Nemesis. Brilliant. Okay, well that's it. It's a nice short video, and yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Thank you very much.